Welcome back to my channel, guys. So for today's video is naggrocery si Aaron at sinabihan ko yung mga anak ko na tumulong sa mga grocery. Samahan niyo kami, guys. Look at the baby.
I found another one.
You just come back. Get some for you, Jet.
They were 12 cents a piece.
Wow. Okay. Give me some.
Don't carry that, it's heavy.
I will bring the milk. I will
grab the Coke or some of the soda. I can get this.
wait, Mommy Ted.
It's got soda and Coke.
Get some drinks na kakuha rin niya ko. Okay.
Excuse me.
So Yakult lang ang nadala ko, guys. There's more. I know, my loves, only Mommy will get the soft drinks. Because you're gonna spill anywhere.
$1.15.
Hold on. Okay, go ahead, my loves.
$1.15.
Wow, thank you.
Althea, these were $1.15.
The Easter day, how much is that?
Well, I bought it was $5. I got it for $1.15. And then this 25 cents. Normally this is $3. They only had one, so they got Krabby Patties. And then
Okay, put that in
these
the
ring pops.
pantry.
These are ring pops with their bunnies. You know, the ring pops are like suckers. And then these things is confetti cake, 19 cents a piece.
Oh.
They were $1. And then
Daddy.
yeah, this is the egg thing.
Put that in the pantry, Tia. Palihog.
These right
Because they're
here,
gonna spill.
$5, $1.15.
What is that? Dino egg?
Yeah, they're dino eggs. So
Dino
I got dino
egg,
eggs for
chocolate.
the boys, and I got you unicorn eggs.
Your payment. There's like two more.
Yeah, I need to get stuff in so I can close it down.
Okay.
I'm starving to death, actually.
Put in the pantry, Tia. No, my loves, only one, my loves. You're gonna spill that.
Not that heavy.
I know. But you need to be careful.
How about these?
Show to everyone, people is watching you. Come
How
on.
about these?
See, I have egg, guys. Easter egg. Stop dancing like that.
Can I make videos in my
Later, now when I'm done.
I want this.
Yeah.
I want that.
Yeah, you have some.
Yeah, and then I got, those
Yeah.
are sour things, right? So everyone gets one of these eggs too.
So, everything is chocolate, guys. Next to Ate, my loves.
Well, that's all that's in there. It's just a metal egg with this. That's all.
Ted. So you got one of each from? One each.
Two of each.
The dino?
There's 4 dinos and 2
Wow. Ted, give that to me. You have to put
Unicorns.
it to you.
It's like 2 each.
Say hi, guys. Theodore. Say hi.
Ted, and then wheat and salad. Yes, I got to smash this. And now this is a baby.
Show here. Show.
And a baby patty. Ted, finish it up.
Hey, and don't start just going through stuff and making stuff. Eat one thing at a time.
Okay. You want more time?
Take a stack of room.
You want more? Oh.
Make it last.
You good? Eat it. Eat it one at a time.
Feed, and I'm gonna, because I'm starving.
You take the egg. Put your egg here. Do not throw it away.
I'm gonna separate these. So that's for you. So guys, right now I'm eating a Krabby Patty. It's like a burger, but it's gummy. It's good. Very cool.
Be careful, my loves, ha.
Do you want this? I think it's mine. I'll take it. Kevin! This is for you and Jed. No, that's yours.
Be nice.
There's two.
Be nice.
Okay, that's us. Okay, how about we eat these first, and then we can move on to this. Okay? Because we can't share what you have.
Hey, is this Krabby Patty on the floor?
That was 10.
You one thing at a time.
I'm gonna check this. Okay, go. This is for you. No, I don't think so. Can I have this? No. I'll take the ice.
Wash your mouth.
That wasn't me. That was my mouth.
You like it, Ted?
Kid, want to taste very these? Very true. Want to taste mine? It's good.
Okay.
Do you want to taste mine? It's really good. Here. I know they're sour, but taste them. I know, I already tried it. It's not sour.
It's not sour.
Oh.
Yeah, I will get some. I will wash first.
Can I take these?
Which one? The green, Jed? You want the green?
Sure.
Okay.
So this is mine.
I will wash first.
Oh, you can just sit. So this is mine. You can take mine.
The unicorn, yeah, that one.
No, this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
I think. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Once upon a time, it's a
Be
story.
careful, my loves, ha.
Yes, but can I eat this?
Yeah, if you want.
Yay! Touch this.
Oh, my loves, oh. Give to him now.
This is yours. No. No, that is. Can I take these upstairs in my room?
Later na.
Ah!
You can open? No, don't do that.
It's not open.
Let Ate to open, my loves.
Here, let me just...
Be careful.
I don't like it. It's so nasty. Ted?
You don't like?
Okay, why do you... want that one. Why do you need it open? Here. Oh, what is this? There's nothing. Why is there nothing? I don't know. It's just a thing. Well, we can share.
Be careful, Ted.
Mommy. Mom, can I see that? Can I eat my banana? Mom, can I eat my bananas?
This one, the small. You want the small one?
Oh, is this one yours?
Maybe it's the same. Oh, get this.
Here, yay! If this is yours, then take it.
No, I'm good. Auntie, that's yours.
No, it's yours. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not mommy. That's it. I can take. It's your mommy's. That's daddy's. These are mine. These are mine. of all, you have to wait. Third of all, be patient. Do you want these?
Ibutang sa table na kay mga hog na.
You can see them.
Butang ya. Arrange sa tani.
What's inside? Oh, you're opening it? What is this? It's just an egg. Wait, let me see. We have to smash it. No, God, please no.
No, please God, no.
No, because it's an egg. You have to smash it and there's going to be candy in there. No, this one candy. Okay, let's do it. Let's get a bowl. Come on, can you give me that bowl? No, my God, it's just this.
Oh my God. Oh, it's already there.
That was stupid. It's a dinosaur. I think
Let me see, my loves. What inside? It's a choc. Let me see. It's nice.
Now. Like that? It tastes like the Kinder Joy.
They shot the dimbi. They shot the dim. They eat the chocolate. Eat.
I did.
You like it? Let me try it now. Just small bite.
Oh, I think it's mine that I have to crack.
Wow, it's good.
Quit! Okay. I did. Okay. I'll tell you.
Don't waste it, huh? I like it. Don't play it, because I like it. If you're done eating, just put in the bowl. Don't waste it, huh? Just put it there.
Are you done eating?
Are you done?
And Mom will save it. Because we don't waste
I like it.
food around here. Totally. Okay. Now I have to go. Oh,
Be quiet. I like this. It's good.
these are mine. That sounds scary. But that's... Y'all already ate my stuff. Y'all already ate half of this stuff.
What is that?
Mom!
Mm.
Oh my God! I want to come home.
I like it, my loves.
All she's gonna say is... First of all, these are...
Yeah.
actually,
I like this.
First of all, these are my stuff.
I like this. Did you try?
Yeah. I tell you not to the dinosaur. Let me see. Let's open it. Let's take another one.
There's more egg.
There is a. What is this? Give me it. I can't stop.
What's this? Be careful, my loves.
Oh, that's a confetti.
Milk chocolate.
Confetti cake.
You want to try?
Yes. Yes. No, that's mine.
Share is caring.
Do that.
I will try first.
Open it up.
I will try first. No, we cannot open.
No, split it.
Oh yeah, I know.
Don't do that.
I will try. Ted, be careful, my love. Sit down.
I want next dinosaur.
Come here.
Let's take the next one. It's really creamy.
I like it. Let him try. Sit down there.
He said yum before he even took a bite.
You're gonna fall.
I want another
Yeah, I know.
dinosaur. It's cold.
My hand is cold. Sit down.
Dad, all you're gonna do is just open it, and that's all.
Let him to share, babe.
Stop.
Be nice.
Yeah. I want another dinosaur. It wasn't inside again. Ted, it's gonna be the same thing.
It's okay.
No. What is he gonna do?
That's the last one, huh?
It's going to get next one. It's inside. I'm gonna take these upstairs. No. They're gonna try.
Wait.
Let's take the next one. Let's check it. ASMR little kid. Mini me. Just a kid. Mom, I'm coming that. I want it that. Oh no.
Show to them.
You guys.
Show to them.
Wait, hold on. Let's pretend that didn't happen and actually crack it.
I have some in there. Maybe it's the
Same thing. I hate it. That's what I told you. Next one. No. Said no. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't have fun and yelling.
Yeah. See, bye now.
Bye.
Are you done? Hmm? May, come on. Wash your hand ka. Wash your hand. Thank you for watching, guys. And God bless you all. Bye-bye. Shout out pala sa mga followers ko, subscribers. Sila Florenda's Vlog, Sir Nex Noy, Team Akad, Easter Padora, Jin Vlog, Sis Tutorial, Travel Eats. Thank you for the support. Sis Mimi, thank you. And the silent viewers, thank you for watching, guys. And marami pang iba na nagpa-follow sa mga videos ko. And see you next time. Bye-bye.